Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Xbox gamer looking to make your purchases smoother and more secure, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to use PayPal on Xbox. Whether you're buying the latest game, renewing your Xbox Game Pass, or grabbing in-game items, linking PayPal can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and an Xbox Live or Microsoft account set up. If you don't, head over to the respective websites and create them. It's quick and free. Once that's done, fire up your Xbox console and sign in to your account. Next, navigate to the Microsoft Store or any page where you can make a purchase. Before you buy anything, you'll need to add PayPal as your payment method. Go to your Xbox settings, select Account, and then Payment and Billing. Here, choose Add a Payment option and look for PayPal in the list. If it's not showing up, you might need to do this through the Microsoft website on your computer for better compatibility. Once you select PayPal, you'll be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This step ensures your payment details are secure and only used when you want them to be. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, just select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. It's that simple. One quick tip. Always double-check your transaction details to avoid any surprises, and if you're using a credit card linked to PayPal, ensure it has sufficient funds. If you run into any issues, like errors during linking, visit the Xbox support page or PayPal's help center for troubleshooting. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to using PayPal on your Xbox. This method not only adds convenience but also gives you better control over your spending. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and game on.